So when you open the sheet, go ahead and click Enable Macros, and now you'll see your Forex Market Analysis sheet. Now, as you'll see within the sheet itself, we do have a fair number of tables, and these will become more meaningful once we import market trend data. On the left, you'll see the columns for each of the long-term time frames of 4-hour, daily and weekly, and left to that, you'll see listed our 28 currency pairs. In the middle of the sheet, you'll see again we have the 4-hour, daily and weekly areas, and these will come to life once we begin to fill in the sheet. We'll enter either an uptrend, downtrend, or a neutral position for each of our currency pairs. Finally, towards the right of the sheet, we've got examples of what a strong and weak profile looks like for each of our currency groups. So once you complete the chart, you will easily observe the long-term trends and which currency groups are strong, weak, or in more neutral ranging movements.